Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both the Only Way client and your device OS are up to date because mismatched versions often trigger disconnects. Once done, force close the game and perform a full device restart to clear memory leaks. Next, check network quality. Switch Wi-Fi off and on or toggle airplane mode to reset the radio. Doing these steps first reduces variables, so when you proceed your troubleshooting software or server issues, not local device or connection noise. You now tackle network routing and app integrity because those are common middle causes of server disconnects. Change your DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to avoid ISP resolution issues and then clear the game cache. If errors persist, reinstall to remove corrupted files. If reconnect fails, use a VPN briefly to test alternate routing. This reveals whether the path to the game servers is blocked or throttled. Make sure to measure latency and packet loss. You finish by isolating account versus server failures so you can resolve the disconnect definitively. Once you've tested another account or device, collect in-game logs, timestamps, and error codes. Include them when contacting Only Way support so they can trace your session. If support confirms a server issue, wait for their rollback or patch. Otherwise, reset your router/modem as a last resort to clear persistent routing problems. A key troubleshooting tip: if random drops continue, test on cellular to see if the ISP is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.